Levine one of its Men of the Year. And I have it right here. It's a really funny post. It just says the Babylon Bee Man of the Year. Well,